struggling for me.
Real hot girl shit. Yeah, I'm in my bag, but I'm in his too. And that's why every time you see me, I got some new shoes.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dijah Alize. If you're new here, as you can tell by the title of this video, I am doing my first U-part wig. I have never done a U-part wig, so this is a new experience for me, and I'm sure it probably would be a new experience for all of you. Before we get into this video, don't forget to please like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified every time that I post. So let's get into it. All I'm gonna do is start by braiding my hair and then trying to see where I need to leave out. But this U-part wig is from Nadula hair. I have gotten hair from them a couple of times, and every time, to say the least, like, I'm impressed. The hair is always good quality. The construction is always good quality, and the hair will last forever. So with Nadula hair, they always include in their box a wig cap and also a thank you card. So straight out of the box, the wig is straight, but it does have a little bit of a bump in it, just because it's been sitting in there. So I'll be sure to straighten that out. It comes with 2 combs in the front, also a comb at the bottom, and adjustable straps so you can adjust to your head. It comes with these little strappy looking things in the middle of the part where you will put your leave out. I think this is just to hold the wig together. I don't think there's actually like any use for them where you're supposed to keep them on. But yeah, I do like this wig. Also, we'll be trying a wig grip for the first time. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I have never used a wig grip. I almost don't even know how to use one, but I'm trying out a bunch of new things today. I think it just holds your wig in place. I'm pretty sure that's just what it does. Helps hold the wig in place with wigs like this where you don't have the lace to glue down, or you may not like clips. I personally like clips, but if you're a person that doesn't, a wig grip will probably work good for you. So yeah, let me just get into separating my hair. I will have a middle part, so I'm gonna kind of like guess where I need to part my hair because I still have to blow dry, straighten it, as you can see. And then I'm not going to be braiding my hair much. I'm only going to put it in like 2 braids and call it a day. Of course, when I film, I can't really find the comb that I actually want to use. So I'm just going to try to part my hair as best I can with this wide tooth comb. So now that my hair is sectioned off, I'm going to save myself the embarrassment and not showing you these braids, not showing you how I did it on camera because, baby, I can't braid to save my life. And anybody who knows me, know I can't braid, okay? So now what I'm going to do is cut these little strappy things you see here out because they serve no purpose. I'm going to put the wig on. It's not going to be sitting like on a wig cap or anything, or a wig head or anything any longer. And you want to cut them off as like close to the tracks as you can. When you do this, the wig is going to open up and give you enough parting space for however much you need. I would never wear my wig this wide. This is pretty much like a half wig, but yeah, so it should work out. To give myself more security, I'm gonna make sure that these adjustable straps are clipped together, just because that's just how I like to wear my wigs. And then we gotta put it around. It's the struggling for me. Aside from it having these bumps in it, like the wig is cute and it feels good. Like it feels nice. The wig is 16 inches, so it's like a natural type of length. Um, I've been kind of gravitating more towards natural lengths rather than the super long lengths, just because they're more practical, easier to wear at work, you know, that type of thing. So now that my wig is straightened, let's get into this leave out. So now that I got my leave out like blending and doing what it has to do, I think I'm going to cut these ends more blunt. So yeah. It's cute and it's giving me natural tease. It's giving me this is my hair. It's giving me sewing vibes. It's doing it. It's doing it. But let me see if I can do my edges real quick. And it's actually pretty secure now. Like before I was like, girl, I don't know. But now it's feeling okay. It's feeling like a sew-in really. And I haven't had a sew-in in so long. And this is my first time trying a U-part wig once again. Again, this is from Nadula Hair. It is their straight U-part wig in 16 inches. I did cut it a little bit, so it's probably about 14 inches now just because I wanted it more blunt. But I am enjoying this hair. It's soft, it's nice. So if you enjoyed, be sure to check out the links in my description box because it's all down there. All the information is down there. And while you're down there, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.